Okay, in this video, we're going to cover inclusion-exclusion principle, and so let's begin. So it says A union B, and it's going to equal all of A plus all of B minus the overlap. And so if we have a situation where everything lies in this area right here, it would be total sample is equal to all of your A, all of your B, minus both. The reason why we have to subtract both is that all of A includes this area and this area, and all of B includes this area and this area. And so if you subtract one time both, then you'll be able to get this whole area right here. So we're going to solve two problems. This will be our first one. So there's 80 dog/cat owners. So they either have a dog, they have a cat, or they have both. But there's no situation where they have neither. Now 50 own dogs and 40 own cats. How many own both? Just looking at it, 50 plus 40 is 90. And there's only 80 dog/cat owners. So there has to be some with both. So if we use this little formula, the total sample would be 80 is equal to how many total owned dogs, 50, how many total owned cats, 40, minus our both. This symbol right here just means overlap. So minus both. And so if we subtract 50 on both sides, subtract 40 on both sides, we're going to get negative 10 is equal to minus both. And so we could say that both would be 10. Now let's think about this problem. So this area right here is 10. And this covers people who own both a dog and a cat. Now this area right here, it would have to be 50 minus 10. So 40 just own dogs. They don't have a cat. Likewise, the cat owners, this area is 10. So this area, it must be 30 because 40 own cats. So 10 who own both, so they have a dog and a cat, and 30 who just have a cat. And if you add it up, you'll get 80. Now we could also have a situation where we have neither. Like maybe you survey people whether they have a dog, a cat, but maybe some people have no pets, so they don't have a dog or a cat. So the formula is very similar, except that you add your neither. So this time we surveyed 100 people, 70 own dogs, 40 own cats, and 10 have neither pets. And you want to know how many own both dogs and cats. So we surveyed 100 people. We know that 70 own dogs. We also know 40 own cats, but we don't know how many own both, so minus both. And we know that 10 have neither. And so if we add it up, 70 plus 40 is 110. 110 plus 10 is 120. So we have 100 is equal to 120 minus both. And so both must be 20 because 120 minus 20 gives you 100. So we know that there will be 20 people with both a dog and a cat. And let's draw this out. So we're saying 20 goes here. We also know 10 have neither. Neither I'm going to put on the outside like right here. Now 70 own dogs. So we have 20 here, so add 50 more, and that will be just dogs. And 40 own cats, but we have 20 here, so this is going to be 20 also. And let's add it up. We have 10 plus 50 is 60, 60 plus 20 is 80, 80 plus 20 is 100. So this tells us that there's 50 people who just own a dog, 20 people who just own a cat, 20 people have both, and 10 people have neither a dog or a cat. And that's pretty much it for this video.